Backless choli with a matching bra strap.
Backless choli, then let it be a backless choli, no? That's the beauty of it. It's backless.
Oh my god!
I find it problematic that after you meet somebody on a date, if they don't say to you that, will you message me once you're home? I have a problem.
Okay.
Like, I find it very rude.
Acha.
I don't know why.
I'm a 10 but I'll say मिलते हैं but never really initiate. प्लान बनाते हैं यार. कहाँ जाना है? तू बता. नहीं तू बता. Okay, so this is Shreya Chaudhary on the Good Girls show. Finally.
Good girl with
Finally.
Pari.
Good Girls with
We
Pari.
need to establish that. I love this merchandise. It's so cool.
Welcome. Finally, you've made it
Thank you.
to
I'm so
the
happy
show.
to be here.
Yeah. How have you been?
I've been great. And it's always such a pleasure to meet you. And I feel like this is the third time we're meeting this year, which is really exciting.
And I hope that we get to meet more often, which means
Yes.
that you keep coming up with more
Yeah.
stuff and more work. उसी बहाने हम मिलते हैं.
Yeah, that's true.
Unless we decide कि चल coffee पे चलते हैं, वो भी कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, correct. Cheers to that.
Okay, so we always start with a report card on this show.
Oh,
Okay, and it's
okay.
called the Good Girls Report Card. The first part on this is I've been called. You just have to tick the words that people have used for you.
Okay, I'm taking loud because there are times. It's actually funny because I think 50% of this world thinks I'm a very loud person, and 50% of this world thinks I'm a very soft-spoken, shy person. So
Okay.
it's kind of interesting because
तो कौन सा 50% सही है?
I'm an ambivert, na? तो दोनों सही हैं.
अच्छा.
Depending on the day or depending on the
Person.
which side of me is going to come out.
Right.
I feel थोड़े जो topics होते हैं ना, there's certain things जहाँ पे I get very passionate and expressive. And it can be something as silly as food. Like people have told me the way you talk about food, I don't think you talk about anything else.
Really?
So I get very like animated and excited and all of that. Sarcastic though is my middle name, I feel. I am Shreya Sarcastic Chaudhary.
Shreya Sarcastic. SSC.
Talkative, yes. Girl, yes, with a heart. Dramatic, of course. Sensitive, yes. Too much.
You've been called too much?
Yeah, I mean,
You are too much.
I can be too much. I can be three
Okay.
much also.
Okay.
Rebel, yes. Opinionated, yes. Brave, yes.
Have you rebelled? किस चीज के लिए rebel
Yeah,
किया?
yeah, yeah. I was a rebel without a cause, I think, when I was a child. So I don't know what it was. Maybe because I felt like I was a little bit introverted and shy. When I used to feel very strongly about something, there was no reason to be so, expressive and rebellious. But I would come across very strongly in certain moments. And then I think I rebelled when I decided I want to be an actor. Because my parents were very against it.
Really?
And yeah. And I mean, I'm very blessed. I'm blessed to have the parents that I have, and they're amazing and they support me fully now. But initially, it was like I had to really be rebellious about it.
Okay, and क्या concerns थे उनके?
उनका क्या प्रॉब्लम था कि मैंने उनको तब तक एक्सप्रेस नहीं किया था
कि एक्टिंग करनी
कि मुझे एक्ट्रेस बनना है. क्योंकि उस टाइम पे मैं पहले तो मुझे वेटनरियन डॉक्टर बनना था. फिर मैंने स्विच कर दिया 12th के बाद क्योंकि मुझे राइटिंग का बड़ा शौक था. तो मुझे लगा मैं शायद से जर्नलिज्म या एडवर्टाइजिंग में चली जाऊंगी. आई डिड माई मेजर इन एडवर्टाइजिंग. तो उनको लगा कि हाँ यही है. एंड आई वाज वेरी गुड एट स्टडीज. तो प्लान ये था कि मास्टर्स के लिए मैं जाऊंगी. लेकिन उस वक्त मैंने एक ऐड कर दिया और फिर मुझे पता नहीं क्या हो गया. वो थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया. क्योंकि आई टेल यू व्हाट, व्हेन यू ग्रो अप, नॉट ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट नाउ अगेन, आई डोंट मीन टू गो इनटू इनसाइडर आउटसाइडर, बट zero connections. You don't know anything about how a film is even made. So it came as a shock to them कि शायद से she's not serious about it and this is a fleeting thought and
Right.
she's going to miss out on a year because of that. So at that time I rebelled a little bit.
Okay. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Now the other part on this is feedback and remarks.
Okay.
And it's about your report card in school. What remarks did you get school में?
Very good because I was head girl firstly.
Wow.
Yeah, so my teachers तो loved me. My vice principal especially. He's an amazing human being. And उन्होंने पता नहीं क्या देखा मेरे अंदर क्योंकि मैं क्लास में बहुत ही ज़्यादा शांत, shy. You couldn't hear me. क्योंकि मैं हमेशा से बहुत लंबी थी तो मैं पीछे बैठती थी, तो वो जब ये आते थे कुछ भी पूछते थे मेरे मुंह से आवाज ही नहीं निकलती थी. I don't know what he saw in me. He told me to go on stage. So I used to get really good remarks, I guess.
And a remark that you wished for.
I was not very good at computer science.
Acha, okay.
And everyone in my family is in computer science. So I used to always feel like the black sheep of my family. So I wish that I would have gotten a remark from my computer science teacher.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
so specific.
Yeah.
तो ये कभी प्रेशर रहा है गुड गर्ल होने का?
किससे? खुद से?
खुद
parents
से भी और आसपास फैमिली में भी या आसपास के लोग सोसाइटी से भी? Have you ever felt that pressure?
I'd be lying if I said no. I feel just generally women are pressurized, girls are pressurized that you have to be a good girl. हम लोग कहते हैं भी अरे you're such a good girl, and it's such a positive reinforcement. I don't think I've ever been pressured about it. In fact, if anything, I remember बचपन से ही rather, मेरे पापा मुझे हमेशा बोलते थे that you must have an opinion. So even in the family, हम लोग कुछ भी discuss करते थे, it always used to be like, what are your thoughts on this, you know?
Nice.
I was a tomboy growing up, and I would fight a lot with my brother, and I was always very unhappy if somebody treated me differently than my brother. Because when you're younger, you don't really understand being a girl and being a boy, right? But your parents are going to be very protective of you. So there were a lot of times that he was, spoken to differently than me. And I used to feel very happy about that. But if spoken differently, as in my dad would yell at him and not yell at me ever. But yeah, there were a lot of things my dad used to do to favor me. Like he would really I would always say daddy's little girl, but I also feel my mother favored my brother. So it was balanced in the house. So
Right.
my brother would go complain to my mother and I would go complain to dad.
Yeah.
तो वो होता था बहुत.
You've also spoken a lot about, body issues. उसके बारे में भी आपने, बात की है. So would you want to, what helped you उस point पर, and what was that really, that point where you felt like, okay, I need to do something about this?
So I wouldn't call it body issues. I would call it health issues for me. I think the body issues really would have, even if they did kicked in after, when the health got better.
Okay.
Because when it was problematic, which is like being overweight for unhealthy reasons, I was I didn't care. So when I was growing up, I was overweight and I didn't know any better. I was like, मैं तो ऐसे ही हूँ. And I've been called like everything. I've been called a Yeti. I've been called Shrek. Because I was like, Shrek, yeah. Because my name is Shreya. So there used to be this one boy who used to call my pet name was Shrek. Because I was like this big person. But I don't know what it was. It just never bothered me. I was like, हाँ मैं हूँ Shrek. अभी मैं क्या बोलूँ? But I think it was after even when I decided to kind of lose the weight, it wasn't so much because of, I want to look a particular way. It was when I started getting really unwell. And it started taking a toll on me, on my back. And I couldn't do things that, I wanted to do. So I was like, oh, now I have to fix this.
Yeah.
My first ever boyfriend of life, liked me even when, I was more overweight than I was later, which I think is so special. And I feel so nice that I knew somebody like that who didn't, care so much about the physicality of things and stuff like that.
Did you have any perceptions about love? Just I was asking this question around and somebody said that, जब मैंने पूछा कि what is it about love that you believed when you were a teenager and you laugh about it now, तो किसी ने कहा कि जो पहली girlfriend होती है वही आपकी life partner
मेरा भी वही था. Yeah, because I
That the
think my
first part-
parents must have fed this information to me. That the first person that you date, you have to marry that person, because that's what happened with them. I used to always say that whoever it was never marriage at that time, it was dating. It has to be my friend first. I feel that stayed, which is nice. And oh my god, I'm thinking. I'm sure I must have thought some really stupid thing. Let it come back to me.
Okay, हाँ, it'll come back when we do this segment, which is called cute or cringe.
Okay.
ठीक है, so मैं आपको ऐसे कुछ situations या scenarios देने वाली हूँ, and you tell me if it's cute or it's cringe.
Okay. Let's
Okay.
go.
Yeah. Falling asleep with your partner on a video call.
That's very cute.
It's cute.
It's very cute.
Okay.
I mean, if you're the person falling asleep, if it's the other person, then it could be a little annoying.
Okay, making couple hashtags like names के जो hashtags चलते हैं ना, आधा name इसका आधा name
वो तो
उसका
शादी पे हो
बनाकर,
जाता है ना वो।
उसके पहले भी होता है नहीं?
नहीं हाँ
But what do you think about शादी में ही चलो?
no I don't like all that.
No, even I don't
Yeah.
like. Baby talking to your partner.
I baby talk to my dog and people find that also cringe, so
Yeah.
it's okay. But yeah, I can't. I don't think I can ever baby talk
No?
a partner. No, I don't think I can do that.
Okay, couple tattoos.
Uh,
Like I've seen कि ना दिल का आधा पार्ट एक उंगली इसकी उंगली में रहता है और दूसरा पार्ट उसकी उंगली में रहता है।
join करके वो एक हो जाता है।
join करके दिल बनता है।
Okay. I mean, I'm not for it, but I have very recently had a conversation with a best friend that we should get matching tattoos. So maybe I'm a little hypocritical to call it cringe. But this I don't like. This joining wala I think is adha adhura.
Using words like babu, shona, janu, woo.
Pet names basically, right?
हाँ मतलब correct.
Yeah,
Baby.
I'm not for it. I like
No?
I like names.
Okay.
You know, if somebody's endearingly calling you something, I think it's very sweet.
Okay.
I don't think I have ever. The maximum I think I've said is baby. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't remember.
Okay, next PDA, which is
Oh, I love
public
PDA. I shouldn't be saying this out loud. My parents might watch this.
saving their name as Jan, hubby, bacha, like phone mein.
Bacha is a bit
Bacha.
much. No? How can you call him? I mean, I guess some people are into that. I don't know. But no.
No. Okay, cringe for you?
Cringe.
Cringe. Writing long paragraphs on birthdays and anniversaries.
It's extremely cringe, but I do it myself. So I'm very self-aware, guys.
Okay, celebrating monthly anniversaries.
No.
Like
Cringe.
happy first month, happy
I
second
remember,
month.
yeah, I know a lot of people who do that, but
Cringe.
cringe.
Yeah, okay. Sharing the same toothbrush.
Oh God, no. No, cringe. And very unhygienic. Guys,
Unhygienic.
Don't do it. Even if you think it's cute, it's not good for you.
Okay, sitting side by side in cafes.
Sitting side by side means
Like
as
for
opposed to
example-
samne samne.
हाँ, as
Oh,
opposed
I
to
love
samne
that. Very,
side
very
by
cute.
side.
Very cute. Yeah, I'm very for that.
Feeding your partner with your own hand.
No cringe.
It's cringe.
You know, you're eating something, you feed somebody one bite. Like, oh, do you want to try this? And I give you a bite. I think that's
नहीं,
cute.
नहीं, ऐसे बैठ
हाँ,
के
वो
ऐसे
नहीं,
baby की
नहीं,
तरह
नहीं, नहीं,
खिलाना.
oh, God, please. Cringe.
Okay,
I don't want to feed, and I mean, I don't want to like be the person feeding also, and I don't even want to be fed. Yeah.
Okay, and last one, keeping each other's photograph as the phone wallpaper.
I don't want to be so extreme and call it cringe, but it's somewhere in the middle. It's not cute. It's not cringe. It's okay. I mean,
Okay. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो सारे हमारी लाइक जो फैंटेसीज एंड आइडिया ऑफ लव है ये बहुत ज्यादा influenced है also because of Bollywood and the movies that we watched, right?
or even the people who've fallen in love around us, right? Like my grandparents, my nana and my nani had a love marriage.
Wow.
My own parents had a love marriage, and I mean, it was intercaste, so whatever. Even they were rebellious about it. So I feel like it's also because I've heard about these stories and stuff, and I've been told since I was a kid that you have to fight for your love.
So what about the relationship that your parents share with each other would you want to have with your partner?
Oh, so much. I think the most important thing is the fact that they really fought for their love. And there's this very beautiful, I don't know if you've seen it, a reel of Keanu Reeves it went viral where he was like, if the love is not worth fighting for, then is it really worth it or something? I must have really massacred the quote. But I really believe that love requires effort. I don't believe in effortless love. So I think that is something that I've seen with both my parents, where they're two very different individuals. They're kind of like chalk and cheese. And every day they wake up and choose to do certain things because they love each other. So I think these are little things I see in my parents.
Wow.
Yeah, which I would love to have in the future.
Yeah. Now we're going to talk a little about fashion.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a segment जिसके लिए मैं आपको ये दूंगी आपको रेड फ्लैग एंड ग्रीन फ्लैग दिखाने.
Okay.
So this is Zivame presents Unhooked and Unhinged. Wearing a sports bra under a lehenga blouse.
Comfort over everything, guys.
Okay, wearing prints over prints.
I'm not a fan of very large prints, so I think I would call it a red flag personally, but I guess so many people wear print over print and they can really carry it off. They
Yeah.
look very cool. It's
The-
not for me.
Ranveer Singh jaise.
Exactly.
हाँ.
And he looks very hot.
He
when
can wear a
does it. Yeah.
chaddar and he looks hot, yeah.
That's true. That's true.
Okay. Visible bra straps with an off-shoulder dress or top.
I don't know how to call it a green flag or a red flag. It's okay.
It's okay.
There's no problem.
Also, this is also because bra straps being visible is
It's a huge deal, right? And I never understood that because I remember in college also there used to be rules in certain colleges that you could not have the
क्या
strap of
दिखने
your
नहीं
bra.
चाहिए?
नहीं मतलब अगर आपने दिखा दिया तो मतलब you can take क्या बोलते हैं उसे you're punished and all of that.
Yeah.
Which I mean I found that a little like much. Too much.
Too much. Okay. Mixing silver and gold jewelry in the same look. You've done it today.
I'm totally for it. I'm totally for oh sorry.
So,
green flag.
green flag.
Yeah, huge green. I love mixing metals.
Okay. Dark bra stealing the limelight under your light kurti. Which is basically if it's...
I'm not
visible.
for it, not for any particular reason. I don't like that, whatever the overall look of it. So yeah, me personally, I would not choose to do that.
Okay. Sneakers under lehenga.
Oh, fully green flag. Sneakers under anything. Like if I could wear sneakers with like everything for the rest of my life, I would do that.
Correct. And you also don't need to wear heels, na?
I mean, I hope I find reason to wear heels.
Matching your lehenga with your lingerie.
Yeah.
Green flag?
Works. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Green flag. Okay. Changing into your pajamas at a festive party when you are the host.
Why not? Yeah, you deserve it. Please do not think twice. It's not rude at all.
Strapless bra on the DJ night. Like when you have to dance a lot.
Works for you. Great.
Works for
Yeah.
you. Okay, wearing lounge wear for a festive after party.
After party, really, I feel it's totally fine to wear comfortable clothes.
Yeah. Backless choli with a matching bra strap.
No, if it's a backless choli, then let it be a backless choli, no? That's the beauty of it. It's backless.
It's backless. Oh my god, poo. We all have a little poo in us.
Yeah, we all want that moment.
We all want that. पीछे का कहाँ है? It's backless. Okay. Full glam makeup at a daytime puja.
Sure, if you're feeling it. See, I don't want to call it a red flag. I wouldn't do it.
Huh. Okay. Fair.
So I'm saying red flag, but if you want to look glam for daytime puja, go for it. You do you. I think that's great. It's very nice to look at nice looking people there.
So basically, these are also things that a lot of us have been judged about, right? कि bra strap दिख रहा है कि नहीं? Have you felt any judgment in any aspect of your life ever?
Yeah. But I lived with my parents, and my grandmothers and my grandparents lived in the same, society. And there was this very conscious conversation that was had with me. Ki, I understand. I've never been told that you can or cannot wear something by my parents. But there was always this decorum that was set that, when you're going to meet your grandparents, we have to be a little more mindful about certain things. I was given this kind of, thought that meet them midway. If something that you might wear might make them feel uncomfortable, then avoid wearing that, when you're going to meet them. So I think that kind of a balance, and that can be a little blurring for you. It can be a little confusing, right? Because on one side you're like, I should be able to wear whatever I want and feel liberated, etc. But I don't think it's a problem if you're being a little mindful towards some people, especially if it's for shorter periods. It's not like you're living your entire life like that. Because if somebody came and told me that, oh, you can't wear this for the rest of your life, I mean, that would not be okay with me, It could be any person.
Correct.
Like, I did have that awareness. But like I said, I found it very interesting that in a college, there was a proper, do's and don'ts. And like, वहाँ पे लिखा था that you cannot show your bra strap.
Oh my god.
Yeah. It exists. So I mean, I guess. See again, it's each to his own. Maybe they had their reasons of having that, but do I agree with it? No.
So we keep talking about he's a 10 baht. You've seen that trend going on. He's a 10 baht. So I wanted to flip it a little and make it about us. You are a 10 baht.
But a lot of things. She falls asleep on video call.
Nice.
Your turn.
Okay. My turn. I am a 10, but I cry when I'm angry.
Oh my god, same buddy.
You
Oh my
know?
god, yeah, it's the
So
best
then the
thing.
whole argument goes for a toss. मतलब मुझे ऐसा like गुस्सा होना है किसी के ऊपर
Yeah.
and I want to put my point across and then मेरी आंखें ऐसे भर जाती है.
But I cry for everything. हर चीज के लिए मैं रोती हूँ. जब भी मैं खुश हूँ मैं रोती हूँ, जब भी मैं sad हूँ मैं रोती हूँ, जब भी मैं angry हूँ मैं रोती हूँ, जब भी मैं रोना चाहती हूँ मैं रोती हूँ.
हाँ.
And I cry like this even in movies and stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Your turn again.
I'm a 10, but the fact that I think I'm a 10 is a problem. Right?
Minus. Okay. I'm a 10, but I think I can still fix a guy.
I don't think anymore. I'm a 10, but I can go a few days without communication. So if there's somebody who has a problem with that and needs like immediate replies, then it's a little problematic.
I'm a 10, but मुझे comebacks हमेशा घर जाके याद आते हैं.
Yeah, but that's not bad. It's okay. You're still a 10.
I'm still a 10. Oh, sweet.
I wish मुझे मेरे comebacks घर जाने के बाद आते.
Really?
On the spot नहीं आते. तो I think I would be a much happier person. क्योंकि वो fight वहीं पे खत्म हो जाती ना फिर. So it's
Okay.
you're a 10. You're good.
Okay, and you have to take the last one.
I'm a 10, but I am non-confrontational. I will send you a text message expressing everything. I cannot I find it tough. I know it's very important, but I'm a little non-confrontational.
Okay, I'm a 10, but I'll say मिलते हैं, but never really initiate. प्लान बनाते हैं यार. कहाँ जाना है? तू बता. नहीं तू बता. नहीं तू बता बस.
Correct.
So I'm very much capable of doing
Yeah.
that. I will cry also. That यार.
मिले नहीं यार
मिले
इतने
नहीं
टाइम से.
यार, वो.
कहाँ है तू?
But then I'm very much capable.
Get it. Yeah. Fair.
Okay, this is the last segment. It's called First and Worst.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Okay. First and worst audition experience.
First audition was when I was in college. It was for a cola ad. And somebody had seen a photograph of mine from a casting director's office, and they asked me if I would like to audition for this ad. And I was like, what? I was like, yeah, sure. It was a really nice experience because this was Mukesh Chhabra's casting company, and they didn't have that entire slate. You know how usually auditions happen, ki these are my profiles and all of that. I had to just go. Literally, there was this one casting associate. She sat me down. She just started rolling the camera and she just had a conversation with me. She was like, tell me about yourself. कहाँ से हो तुम? क्या कर रही हो? क्या पढ़ रही हो? ऐसे, random questions. और फिर there was a second round when basically they gave me the script and everything. So it was really nice. It was a good experience. And worst audition. I remember going for an ad audition, and ये तब की बात है when you don't get the script. Obviously, this is you just go and you show up. You just hear कि ऐसे audition हो रहा है, तो आप जाके आप देख लो वहाँ पे दे दो types. So I went and I read the script and it was extremely sexist, very very sexist. I was like, there was a split second in my mind where I was like, now it's an ad, whatever, do it. And then I was like, no man, I don't think I would want to be associated with this ad.
First and worst date.
My first was with my first boyfriend. I didn't realize it was a date. It was the day he kind of told me that he liked me, and we were best friends for years. And it was a very sweet conversation. We were at dinner, and I think a few more people were supposed to come. And then I was like, where are they? And he was like, they're not coming, whatever. And then I think he asked me out for the first time. This was when I was in college. So it was very sweet. So that was my first date.
Okay.
And my worst date, I have again, I'm going back to I'm a 10 but. So I have this thing, if somebody, I find it problematic, and maybe, this is not right of me, but I find it problematic that after you meet somebody on a date, if they don't, say to you that, will you message me once you're home? I have a problem.
Okay.
I find it very rude.
Acha.
I don't know why. I have no idea why. और or like these little things. And you know, it's such a wide conversation because everyone's like, oh, but you're a feminist, and being feministic means, you know, equality, and I completely understand that. So I'm very aware of the fact that there is a little bit of hypocrisy in me where I do like a chivalrous man.
Yeah, but you
know.
said it. It's chivalry.
It's chivalry. It's being
not-
human, you know. Like it's exactly.
Like
So I
you could
like
do
that.
the same for the
I would-
person,
exactly.
right? Did
And I
you
do.
reach? Text and reach is so.
It's such
Cute.
it's such a sweet thing, or like like somebody opening the door for you. These basic things, you know.
Yeah.
So I think I was there was this one person like I was on a date with, and conversation was okay. But then when he didn't say it, message me once we're home, I was just like, this is cancelled.
No second date. Okay, that was cute and
Yeah.
honest. Okay, first and worst advice you received as an actor.
You know, it must have been to the tunes of the fact that, you know, there's a lot of hard work. There is, I mean, and I luckily also always wanted to be an actor for, my reasons were very clear and thought through. So they were like, if you want to become an actor, it's not something that's easy. Like you have to show up every single day, and you have to be, because see, when you're an artist, it's not a 9-to-5 job.
Yeah.
So there are days when I'm working really like all over the place, like very, very jam-packed schedule. And then there's suddenly like 3-4 days when you're doing absolutely nothing. So it's like, what are you doing on those 3-4 days? So that was the first advice I got. And the worst advice, तो शायद से मैंने register किया ही नहीं होगा. पता नहीं worst क्या होगा. हाँ, क्या था? किसी ने, you know, ये auditions पे, see, I've met the most amazing people, but I've also met people who can be like really make you feel like, you know, these experiences are like, हाँ मतलब क्या ही है, यही तो करना है, like, you know, because you're a girl or you're the actress. So they make you feel that you feel that that you are not important in that audition. And I'm speaking specifically for ads because I've given a gazillion ad auditions, you know. So I feel like when somebody makes you feel a little, I don't want to say worthless, but not like worthy or whatever.
Okay.
I think that is probably, somebody must have said something and given me advice ki, like, you know, tum actress ho to stay in your lane or whatever. Like, not in a nice way. Like, I understand if I was doing something stupid and somebody said that to me. But like, you know, saying it in a way ki, don't like, I must have asked some question or something. And I think they must have given me some advice ki, yaar, like,
Okay.
you don't use your brain as an actress, basically.
Wow.
Yeah, to the tunes of that. Intellectualize क्यों कर रही हो इसे? तुम actress हो ना, तुम्हें बस हंसना है, अच्छा दिखना है.
Nice.
And I mean, I'm sure a lot of people do think like that, but it's far from the truth, right?
Yeah. एक रोल जो आप कभी नहीं करोगे, even if आपको 100 करोड़ मिले तो?
I think it's a long shot, but I'm quite patriotic that way. I feel if somebody paid me gazillion whatever amounts of money, and I would have to do something which you know, could be a little like not right towards my country. I feel
Fair.
that would be a huge problem for me. I'm also an army officer's granddaughter. But yeah, something that is that's so extreme that, you know, my own people would feel ki kya bol diya isne. I'm sure there are a lot of other things.
Fair,
This is what
of
is
course.
like top of my mind right now.
फिर देखो मैं आपको 100 करोड़ नहीं दे सकती.
लेकिन
मेरे पास कुछ
I
है
love
आपके लिए.
gifts. She's a 10, guys. She's a 10.
I'm a 10 because I give gifts.
End of story.
So this is for you.
That's so sweet. Thank
Just because you took the time out to be on the Good Girls show.
No, I'm
And
so
एक और
happy.
चीज है मेरे पास जो बहुत ही
Listen, stop. You can't give
You're
me a
a
flower.
10.
I think I'm in love, guys. I'm in love with Pari. Thank you. This is so sweet. I love sunflowers. I'm so happy that, you know, you're doing this because I feel like it's in the right hands, and I really look up to, you know, everything that Yuva puts out because I think there's a lot of thought there.
Yeah.
So yes, continue doing what you guys are doing.
Yeah. So
Thank
please,
you.
please like, share and subscribe to Yuva.
Yes.